Working with a MEG file from a Microsoft Access database project. This is a database diagram file used for visual schema design. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and work with these Access diagram files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like MAG. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. MAG files are database diagram files associated with Microsoft Access storing visual representations of database table relationships and schema layouts. They contain table placement positions, relationship line routing, and diagram formatting data that presents the visual database design view within the Access database environment. Microsoft Access MAG diagram files store binary-encoded visual layout data, including table window positions, sizes displayed field selections, relationship connection routing, and diagram cosmetic settings. They work alongside MDB or ACCDB database files to render the relationships window visual schema presentation. The software default for the MAG file type is the solution provided by Microsoft Corporation's Microsoft Access. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows offers limited access to stored records, so full interpretation depends on database utilities. Go ahead and right-click your MAG file, then choose Open With. Try Microsoft Access if it's an option. If it's not, just select another program. This trial and error process is standard for tricky files. If the MAG file is still giving you trouble, relax. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the MAG error using these 3 focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, opening in Microsoft Access. Launch Microsoft Access and open the associated MDB or ACCDB database file. Navigate to Database Tools, then Relationships to view the diagram. The MAG file is loaded automatically, providing the visual layout of tables and their relationships. Rearrange tables and connections within this visual design view. Next, recreating the diagram. If the MAG file is missing or corrupted, the relationships window still functions using the underlying database schema. Open the database in Access and the Relationships view. Rebuilds from the actual table definitions and foreign key constraints. Manually arrange tables in the layout, then save to regenerate the MAG diagram data. Finally, exporting the schema. To share the database schema diagram without access, use the Relationships window and take a screenshot, or use File then Print Relationships to generate a printable report. Export the report to PDF for documentation. Third-party tools like DBS Schema can also visualize Access database schemas independently. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.